was only 30 seconds, so I actually skipped the real second video because it is just me showing off the things that I want to sell. So it is a PCB keyboard that's for no reason. It is actually broken because I used to know it was already broken when I bought the second hand, because I just want to see that I can fix it or not. But same keyboard that I test using the white on black apps, basically using a chrome switch. So it is tactile versus a high profile keycap, so it can make the sound a little bit different, so it's more talkier sound. Many of the expensive keyboard, since the keycaps is also quite expensive than my usual second keycaps that I usually bought on e-commerce. So yeah, this is just a very short video as well, 40 seconds. Still in the same keyboard, but I tried to record it a couple of times because in the different microphone input from the camera, so I just want to see the difference that come from the sound. So yeah, this is just 20-second video. Less of the test keyboard mechanical view. So it is actually longer than the two previous video, so it is 40 seconds. So basically I tried to record it using the 6th generation iPad mini into USB-C dongle, but it is still the favorite typing test, the monkey type. That is actually the last video, because after this I'm actually changing the keycaps into the blue samurai. So yeah, that's all.